Chester, and welcome to Checkers and Chess. The Bell Tower Brothers. Hello there, my name's Chester. I'm Chila.
And I'm King.
Today we're visiting the Bell Tower Brothers. They live in that bell tower.
You two have fun.
Okay, King. Come on, Chila, this way.
Dun 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 dun.
Hiya, Bell Tower Brothers. We've come here to see you.
Why, hello there, Chester and Chila. My name is Ben.
Hiya, Ben. Where's your brother?
Right here. I'm Ben's twin brother, Tempo.
It's nice to meet you, Ben and Tempo. What's so special about your bell tower?
Well, it is nearly 1 o'clock, so the bell tower will ring when it reaches 1 o'clock. It is now 1 o'clock.
Wow, what an amazing chime that was!
Thank you for visiting our bell tower. See you soon. Bye. Bye, Ben. Bye, Tempo. So, Chester and Chila, what did you think of the bell tower? It was amazing. The bell rings when it's a new hour. When it reached 1 o'clock, the bell rang. A bell also rang when it's 2 o'clock, or 3 o'clock, or 4 o'clock, or 5 o'clock, or maybe 6 o'clock. Who knows when it will ever ring?